Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classification Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is again in the continuation of my previous videos, into which I have been sharing a very wide variety of design ideas, that how you can design your face mask by sitting at your home, by keeping yourself into a budget, and by utilizing your free time into a very productive activity. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you, that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. So now let's move back towards our channel, these videos, and more specifically about today's video, which is our main concern. Friends, all of these are very beautiful and pretty mask embroidery patterns, and at the same time they are hand embroidery patterns, but you can use them for machine embroidery as well. And not only machine embroidery, you can also use these very beautiful flower ideas for making hand painted masks as well. So in this way, these are 3-in-1 patterns for face mask of hand art or handmade. So real life nature inspired masks have been made on some check fabric, on polka dot fabric, on denim fabric, or simple cotton, organic cotton, blended linen fabrics, to give the wearer a very soft, classy and a comfortable look. So I hope that my today's collection is very beautiful and at the same time attractive to you. You can also make these masks matching with your dresses as well, because the embroidery patterns are very unique, small and very easy to make, so there is no need to be stressed out or require some more effort. And these designs are absolutely favorable for the absolute favorable lovers and absolute hand embroidery beginners, or at the same time it is also favorable for the hand embroidery artists as well. So friends, I request you to try one of these patterns, and please stay protected and make a habit of wearing masks, because by wearing mask it is the only way you can and we can defeat virus, and we can handle this messy pandemic situation. So these masks are favorable for girls, boys, men, women, kids, and the older age persons as well. So hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves. With this, allow me to leave, and thank you so much for watching my video, and stay blessed, stay safe, and attract only positive vibes. Stay away from negativity and the hype of this pandemic situation as well.